what do you... Oh my god. Adam.
Yeah, I actually just had a question. Are your breasts so prominently on display as part of a mandatory dress code, or is that by choice?
It's for tips.
Oh, I've lost my sister to prostitution.
I haven't seen you in years. You lost me to carelessness. Last time we talked was...
Halloween. 4 years ago. I was dressed up as a gnome. I came out to you on the phone. It was very emotional.
Yes, I remember. I'm off in about an hour. I don't know if you want to stay. Or...
Sure. I got nothing better to do.
So what have you been doing?
So you're getting married. And you're drinking a beer, so it's not because you're pregnant.
You really know how to get right to the point, don't you?
Runs in the family.
No, it's not because I'm pregnant. We've been together for 2 years. And I know it's not so long, but we're in love. And when you know, you know.
No. I've never had that feeling.
Love?
No, just knowing that something was right.
Aren't you with someone? Mom mentioned that you were.
Yeah, but it's not...
I want to meet him. He's invited to the wedding. It's at the end of next month. I have an actual paper invitation. I can get you one in my car.
Stace.
Adam, it's my wedding. What? What, you can't make it?
I didn't exactly get a lot of heads up here.
You didn't exactly make that easy, did you?
I have school and work, and people need time, and...
That is not the reason.
What?
You disappear off the face of the earth and you're pretending it's because you're busy? Something happened between you and Mom or you and Dad, and now you're being a little weirdo and you're not talking to any of us.
Nothing happened. It's everything that didn't happen.
So it's about Dad.
Yeah, no. It's about everything.
Well, Joshua's not going to be there, and I need one of my brothers to be there. So.
Joshua's still...
Yeah.
Wow.
Between the two of you, feels like my family's disappearing. Look, I think you should talk to Dad. Things have changed a lot.
Yeah? I don't think so.
So you're just gonna keep punishing everyone because of whatever didn't happen?
I'm not punishing you.
Maybe not on purpose, but you're not communicating. That's your problem. You're keeping everyone out. Whatever happened or didn't happen, there's clearly something wrong, and there's people that care about you, but you won't let anyone in.
I don't need to let anyone in. I'm fine.
So that's it? You came here to tell me you can't come to the wedding? Nice to see you, bye.
I want to come to the wedding.
But you won't?
I'll think about it.
Great.
It's good to see you.
You too. I love you.